Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. So then here, so you will find it here in this list. You go down here. Then you click here on update email address. It's going to take you to this list. You will find here change password, add here new password, and confirm new password. Then click on save. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.